Here is this awesome bag that we've had for a while now. We love it. It's the braided, like over the shoulder bag. So first of all, it holds a lot, but let me show you how easy it is to get over yourself. So you can slip it on like this, but then what I love is it also has this nice handy clip. So you can unclip it and just slip it off like that, and easy to clip on. It's adjustable, so my husband and I can adjust it. I use it for all kids things, but then also it's worked as a diaper bag. So right now, I have a kid in diapers, so we put diapers in it. So this top pocket unsnaps, and we store like hand sanitizer, chapstick, etc. in this one. That's what we like. And then it also has our like zoo pass and things I need to get to every once in a while. So this is perfect for a phone. So this one right here works great for your phone. It unzips like all the way, so you can tuck whatever in there, but I put like my keys and my phone in this one. And then it comes with two like larger pockets. So this pocket we have like medications in, and I can fit like snacks or a water bottle in this side. And this one goes like under these pockets too, so it just gets like a little bit bigger as you do it. And then this pocket holds our diapers and wipes right there, but then it has another little like hidden pocket in here, so you can tuck like Band-Aids or whatever you need in there, and it holds more stuff. So yeah, highly recommend this bag. It's super easy. Let me show you too, like when you're wearing it like this, you can kind of just flip it around and get into it, which I've really liked for like this section. I can just grab stuff out of there and I don't have to worry. So yeah, it's a super great bag. Highly recommend it. Love all the different patterns it comes in. Really fun bag.